What's going on, everyone? We're going to be looking at the Unusual Whales paper trading tab, how to use the paper trading platform here on Unusual Whales, and give you a quick little walkthrough of all of that. We have other videos already up on the channel. If you guys have other questions about some other tabs, other things that they have to offer here, we'll leave a link to Unusual Whales in the video description box down below if you want to check them out. But here's the Unusual Whales paper trading platform. So if I go in, first time I'm logging into it, like boom, I'm going to get to this page. See some recent trades from other users, all that stuff. You could buy puts, calls, all that cool stuff. I think it's useful, especially if, let's say you are someone who doesn't have access to paper trading on your brokerage platform, or you use a TradingView, which we highly recommend, and we love TradingView. Use a platform like this for charting and stuff, but you're like, oh man, they just don't have options. Well, guess what? Unusual Whales has got you covered, and they got options for you. So, for example, let's say I want to play with an Apple position. Actually, let's go for a different stock. Apple, we feel like we use Apple, Tesla, all those guys. Let's go ahead and use something different. Let's go with a CRM, Salesforce. Let's go with this. So now what we're going to see is on the left-hand side, what your focus should be is not to the right. Okay, these are rankings and whatnot. You want to look at the left-hand side. So I can change, all this information if I really want to in my portfolio and all that stuff. Cool. That's great. We'll cover that in a second. But let's go to my primary account, which is all I have. We have a current value of $10 million of cash, okay? Here's CRM. I want to take a position in CRM. There's a link right here to go to the chart. I'll pull the chart up. It's right there. Cool, great. I don't need that anymore. I've already done my analysis on, let's say, a TradingView, which we'll leave a link below to TradingView, the best trading platform in the game, not even close. That'll be linked up down below as well. And I want to buy a call. So I'm going to go to the CRM calls. I'm going to buy some March 17th calls because, I don't know. Maybe I want to go out even deeper. Let's go out to, let's say, next year. Let's go out to 2024, January 2024, from making this video. About almost, 10 months to 12 months from now. Number of contracts. Let's go out and say, I want to buy 10 contracts, okay? Buy or sell, I'm buying. Multi-leg, I'm not going to do you can do different options here, like strangles, straddles. We've got tons of videos if you're curious on like what these different option strategies are. We've got plenty of videos already here on the channel linking up what these are, how they work. But let's just say that I want to go with a long call, for example. I would just leave it at buy, okay? Call up here and just go none for multi-leg. Then I pick the strike price that I want. So for example, if I go to CRM, I'll pull up the chart here on, let's say, a TradingView. Find CRM, I see it's trading at $173 per share, and I'm like, yeah, I think it's going to go to, $200. Okay, cool. Go back to my account here. I'm going to buy some $200 strikes. It tells me the stock price here, and then now above here is is out of the money calls. Below here is in the money calls. I'm going to go for a 200 strike. It's going to cost me $17.17 per contract. Times it by 100. I'm buying 10, so times that by 10. It's going to be kind of pricey. Let's say now I hit the plus sign. Okay, cool. I scroll down even further. I can actually add in the reasoning why I'm taking the trade, which is pretty useful to do. I highly recommend you utilize stuff like this. Now, it tells me a summary. I'm going to be buying 10 contracts of the 200 call CRM strikes for about a year or about a year out. It's going to cost me $1,717 each, and I'm paying for 10 of these, so it cost me $17,000. Okay? $17,000 to make a bet for CRM to be 200 plus, or just to go up, I guess, in the near term as well. Because it doesn't have to hit $200, I guess, for this to go green, obviously. If it goes up in the near term to like 190, and then it's like only a month from now, option still has like 9 months of time on it, I could sell it for a profit. Click on submit. Boom, we're in. Position created. Anonymous, that's me. Okay. I just bought some CRM 200 calls. Cool. I'm going to give myself a little like, because why not? I'm going to go over to my portfolio, this button right here. Here's my anonymous portfolio. And now what we'll see is my current cash performance. Obviously, there's no performance because I literally just entered now. What's open? Here's my position of CRM. Closed, replies, likes, cool. There's my little like. So this is how it works. If I wanted to go to a stock, I go to click, instead of options, go to stocks. How many shares? Let's go for, let's say, 1,000 shares. Okay. Ticker symbol, let's go CRM again, Salesforce. Well, I'm making the trade. Boom, it's pretty simple. I'm going to go buy or short it, and it's going to cost me, $1.7 million. Actually, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to get 1,000. So it's costing $173,000, and boom, I'm in. position created, just like that. Here it is. We've got our CRM. We've got our, let's see, go back to the performance, our open positions. If I refresh this page, refresh the page, boom, stocks, options, open positions, and good to go. So if I want to close it, I click on close, and I would go ahead and close it, boom, and just close it for me, done. If I click on the calls, close the position, done, boom. Super easy to do, tracks everything. Didn't lose any money. Market's actually closed right now. Didn't lose any money in this process, but if the market was open and we had more price action, I could have potentially made or lost money off these trades. That right there is how to use the paper trading platform on Unusual Whales. Again, link will be down below to Unusual Whales in the video description box if you want to check them out. Any other resources like TradingView, also linked up down below. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a future video. Happy trading.